This particular car is a 2008 Porsche 911 Turbo. The color's called Ruby Red, and we had to do some touch-up painting. So what we did is we ended up painting the hood panel, and that's spot painting, the left quarter panel, the wing panel on the car, and the rear clamshell slash Dutchman panel, whatever you want to call it. Had some scratches in it. We're very particular on color matching at Farland Classic Restoration. It was a very close rendition of the paint, but not a perfect match. And like when you're not blending paint like we do here at Farland, we just panel paint a lot of stuff because we think that the least amount of paint, like on a factory paint job that we have to paint, is best. And then we ended up with this color, which it's very subtle, but the one on this side matches way better than the factory code that Sickens supplied me. 6 eyes are better than 2. Like Luis, my manager, came in and looked at the original spray out, and right away he said, it looks too silver. The owner, Jack Farland, he don't play around. Like here at Farland Classic Restoration, we pride ourselves in color matching. That's like one of the most important things, and it's a very high standard to make these cars look like they haven't been repaired.